في هذه الحلقة من السردال، CBI نافي الأغلى في معرض جنوة الدولي لليخوت.
This is actually, the most expensive, but also the largest yacht.
مارفن 780 المركب التقليدي بلمسات الحاضر.
You put the hook inside.
Okay.
Oh, you have to.
الأخشاب المناسبة للبحر والمراكب.
And we work the wood for the boat, especially for shipyards and classic boats, for about 45 years.
طبق سمك تقليدي بنكهة بحر جنوة.
Le orate per quel periodo che le pescano molto buona.
كل ما بداخله يتحرك إلكترونياً.
Sports coupe have the possibility to close the boat electrically with a button.
الباترو المطاطي السريع المريح والفخم.
All the system of the boat is made with the hydraulic system and the electric system.
على شاطئ المتوسط تستريح مدينة جنوفا الإيطالية ولا تتعب من استقبال المراكب وعشاق البحر. ولهذا العام 51 تستقبل مدينة جنوفا أحد أكبر وأشهر المعارض للمراكب والصناعات البحرية. هنا تجدون الصناعات الإيطالية واللمسة الأوروبية التي تمشي الموضة وتحافظ على أصالتها. من مدينة جنوفا الإيطالية برحب فيكم بحلقة جديدة من السردال. CBI نافي 50 أكبر وأضخم سوبريات موجودة في معرض جنوفا للقوارب. سنتعرف عليها أكثر وعلى كل التفاصيل. Hi.
Hi.
First we can say CBI نافي from dream to real pleasure.
Yes,
right?
That's it.
Why this is the title for this boat?
This is actually the policy of our company, FIPA Group, to customize every single boat. And specifically for CBI Navi, which is actually our steel and aluminium division, we really want to make every dream come true. And this is actually, the most expensive, but also the largest yacht in here. So this is actually a good point for us, for FIPA Group, and actually is something to be proud of.
How many decks does it have?
We have 3 decks plus the main for sure, and consider that the boat sleeps 14 people on board, 14 guests, and 11 people for crew. So this is actually
let's start
big
the
number.
first deck. What we have?
On the main deck, we have a big salon where we can find two really huge couches, and a nice area is the dining room, which is actually, if we close,
be a meeting room.
Exactly. If we close the two sliding door, that's going to be the perfect meeting room for the owners. And then we have on the right side of the main deck a sort of a small studio for the owners, and then a playroom for the kids, and the exercise room, a sort of a small gym room for the kids. Two twin cabins just for the kids of the owners.
Okay, and if we go down, we have maybe the guest room.
Exactly, on the lower deck we have 3 VIP cabins. They are 3 double bedrooms, complete with full equipped bathrooms.
Yes, and we have the kitchen.
And the direct access for the kitchen, the galley of the yacht.
The big kitchen. It's
Enormous.
not a small kitchen,
Enormous.
a normal, yes.
Exactly. And the good point is that more than the 80% of the upper deck is just dedicated to the owner. We have a full beam cabin for the owner, a dressing room, and a bathroom directly with the tub directly on the sea, and then a private saloon again with 2 sliding doors.
With the piano.
Again, with the piano, so that the owner can sleep while the son, the daughter or the wife or whoever wants can play on the other side with no problem at all. Private terrace outside, and then we're going up to the sun deck where we are now.
Lots of terrace. Every floor.
This is important. It gives you the chance to leave the boat inside and to have your space whenever you want on the outside area.
And what about the technical items, the engine, what's the top speed?
Yeah, the boat is good because actually that is why it's something innovative on the market. Because the boat is a 50-meter yacht made of aluminum, and she's got 2 engines by 4,200 HP each by MTU, so more than 8,000 horsepower of power actually on board. And these, thanks to the particular type of hull that was engineered by the engineer Cutulo from Hydrotech, gives you the chance to reach the top speed of 24 knots.
24.
This is actually impressive.
And the cruiser speed is 20?
It's around 20, yes. This type of boat is perfect for saying bye-bye from the harbor and cruising non-stop all around the Mediterranean, or for crossing the ocean as well.
Argentine. Alors tu es là juste pour le boat show?
Oui, je suis venu, je suis architecte, je travaille sur l'architecture des bateaux.
Oui. Alors comment tu as trouvé Genova Boat Show?
Oui, c'est formidable, c'est extraordinaire. C'est la première fois que je viens ici, c'est très bon.
مارفان 780 قوارب إيطالية حديثة، لكنها لا تزال تحافظ في هندستها الخارجية على الطابع الإيطالي القديم والتقليدي. سنتعرف على مارفان 780 في معرض جنوفا. We can say it's a new boat, but in the same time we have the traditional design from outside.
Yes, this is a new concept, a new generation boat, but it came from a traditional Mediterranean boat, and is usually in the past used for fishing and for transport food. Is a poor boat in traditional, and now we move this tradition in the future. Make a little pressure and re-put.
I think maybe you need the hook.
I need a fishing hook, yes. You put the hook inside.
Okay.
Oh, you have to
And inside we have, I think, just one cabin. It's for emergency.
Yes, we have just a little cabin.
For 2 beds, maybe?
Yes, one big bed for, for 2 persons or 2 little bed.
And how many people can be on board?
The people is 8, the maximum number of people, yes.
بعد الفاصل، الأخشاب المناسبة للبحر والمراكب، طبق سمك تقليدي بنكهة بحر جنوة. كل ما بداخله يتحرك إلكترونياً. الباترو، المطاطي السريع، المريح والفخم.
منذ القدم كان الخشب المادة الأكثر استخداما في صناعة اليخوت والقوارب، واليوم مع التطور التكنولوجي أصبحت المواد مختلفة، ولكن لا يمكن الاستغناء أبدا عن الأخشاب. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
First, can you tell us about your company? It's an Italian company.
Yeah,
yes.
we are in Italy, and the name of the company is Magnino Legnami. And we work the wood for the boat, especially for shipyards and classic boats, for about 45 years. The best wood to use in the boat depends from what part of the boat you must do.
Okay.
If you want to build a deck, you can use teak, for instance.
This one?
This one, yeah, this is teak. You can do all the handrails and many parts of the outer part of the deck in teak. Okay. If you want, I don't know, to construct the hull or the keel, you must use mahogany and aeroco that are African wood. And for the mast and booms and other parts of the boat, you can use US or North American logs such as Sitka spruce, Douglas, and other wood.
Can you explain for us what kind of food we have and each one for...
Yeah, I think that all these are quite all teak, because we use teak to produce steps such as this, many kind of different handrails, because every boat, especially the classic boat, have different measurements and design, so we can use different kinds of handrails.
And they are different color?
Different color only for the paint and for the origin of the logs.
And we have something with, I think, small design or
yeah, these are gratings, and these are other parts of the boat. These are made in lamellar, many thin planks glued together, and all these, also these, are made by us directly on pattern, and every time change the measurement.
And upstairs we can see a name. It's the name of the wood or what?
No, this one is a thick deck.
Okay.
And here is the sequence of the building of the deck.
Okay.
First you put the stripes, then you put the primer, then you put the rubber. When the rubber is catalyzed, you can sand, and you have the finished deck such as in this picture.
Okay. Like this one?
Yeah.
Of course, I'm curious, and I used to come every year to look at the news, and this year is a very good show, I think. A lot of people, even if it's Wednesday today.
لا يمكن علينا أن نزور مدينة جنوفا الإيطالية من دون أن نتذوق طبق السمك التقليدي في هذه المدينة فيش أوراتا. So we have two kinds of fish.
Ecco, questo.
It's oil.
Olio ligure.
So we put oil.
Questo. Sale. Pinoli. Pinoli, olive piccoli, olive taggiasche.
إذا مثل ما عم نشوف يوضع السمك
بطاطا
مع بعض حبوب الصنوبر والزيتون ويضاف إليها بعض رقيقات البطاطا والبقدونس والبندورة. So chef, what's fish orata?
Sì, orata in italiano si chiama orata, però viene pescata nel nostro mare ligure e poi con tutti i sapori liguri che si fa con questo. Ci sono anche altri pesci in Liguria, però adesso in questo periodo c'è le orate, proprio il periodo che le pescano, molto buona.
So it's done.
Done. Vedi? Stiamo preparando, ci mettiamo il suo sughetto.
You can see a special design.
Sì, il suo sugo, le patate. Questo. Ci mettiamo ancora un po' di prezzemolo per la guarnizione. E il piatto è pronto. Ecco.
إذا هذا هو طبق اليوم من جنوفا. ألف صحة.
بعد الفاصل كل ما بداخله يتحرك إلكترونياً. الباترو، المطاطي السريع، المريح والفخم.
سيلاين الشركة الإنجليزية موجودة أيضا في معرض جنوفا للقوارب وعرضت للمرة الأولى منتوجها الجديد SC42. سنتعرف عليه أكثر. Hi Valentino.
Hello.
Valentino, we are here beside SC42. It's a sport coupe.
Yes.
So why it's sport coupe?
Yes. The boat is called the Sport Coupe because it's developing of the open boat. Sports coupe have the possibility to close the boat electrically with a button so that customers do not need to manually attach the canopies to the boat in the evening. So electrically you can decide whenever you want to close and to open the roof. Also, in this model of boat there is a system that allows you electrically to close the seating area at the back and to make it roll down so that it's an area that you can relax, sunbathe, or it could be changed into an eating area. You can easily have 8 people sitting there having dinner. In the forward part, there is 3 beds that you can easily either sunbed or read a book in any moment, but it is extremely comfortable also the way to go forward.
So what number of cabin we have?
The boat has 2 cabins, a forward cabin for the owner with his own toilet and shower. And it has a rear cabin for the guest, which you have a combination of multiple bed plus a third one. Plus you can store 2 people in the saloon if you would like.
So we can have maybe
3 plus 2 plus 2, 7 people sleeping with a maximum capacity of 12 people on the boat. But a good number would be around 6 people, not more generally.
Valentina, what about the engine and the top speed?
Yes, so sport boat is equipped with Volvo Penta engines, and there are different engine options. EPS 600, it's a system provided by Volvo Penta, which can get the boat to go at around 33 knots of maximum speed, at around 30 knots of cruising speed.
It's a new model by Sea Line.
Yes, yes.
We can say this model is better than the previous model.
What we can say is that this boat, for the first time, has a 4.48 m width. So it allows in a 42 feet boat to have a lot of space. And the combination of a sinking platform and electric seating area at the back and electric roof makes a lot of comfort in a 42 feet boat.
أوشينا شركة من الشركات الإيطالية المنظمة لهذا الحدث الضخم جينوفا بوت شو. سنتعرف أكثر على هذه الشركة وعلى كيفية تنظيم معرض بهذا الحجم. Salut.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Monsieur, vous êtes le directeur de Oshina.
Oui,
le président de Oshina. Alors, vous êtes un des organisateurs.
L'organisateur du salon, oui.
Alors, laissons parler des pavillons. Quel est le nombre des pavillons que nous avons là dans...
Ici, nous avons 3 pavillons et 2 portes de marina pour un total de 1300 sociétés qui l'exposent un total au salon, pour un total de 2000 bateaux. 2000 bateaux. En général, de lesquels 450 ils sont dans l'eau.
Oui, et combien de pays représentent ces compagnies? Seulement ce sont des compagnies italiennes?
Absolument non. Le 37% de 1300 compagnies, ils sont de tout le monde. Ils sont
international.
Tous les pays du monde, ils l'exposent ici.
Oui, alors bonne chance, Monsieur le Président, et merci beaucoup.
Merci à vous.
الباترو 50 من القوارب الحديثة الشكل والسريعة الموجودة في معرض جينوفا للقوارب. سنتعرف على تفاصيل هذا القارب وكيفية صناعته. Hello.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. We are on board الباترو 50.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between this boat, this kind of boat, and a normal boat? We can say it's more safety?
Of course. The volume of the air contained in the rear part can sustain all the weight of the boat if the boat have a damage.
About the construction, can you tell us about the materials used from outside and inside?
The polyester part is made with vinyl ester resin with triaxial fiberglass and Kevlar.
Okay, and what about the materials inside?
All the system of the boat is made with hydraulic system and electric system for to change the combination of the boat. For to have a big space here, you can go down. The table can go down.
Yes.
Also, about the item of the technology, she goes about 42 knots of cruise speed, and
what the top speed?
The top speed is about 52, 53, depend the condition of the.
And we have a triple engine.
Yeah.
3 engines.
Triple engine is a choice to have a little weight of the mechanical part and a very low consumption of the boat.
And of course we have the sun deck.
Yes, we have the 2 sun deck in the rear,
yes.
2 chaiselongs that you can choose. You can choose the position of the chaiselong electrically into different systems, and we have also the possibility to have a sun deck in the front and the boat. The boat inside is a custom boat, so the clients can choose all the type of material.
We have 2 cabins inside?
Yes, 2 cabins and a big bathroom with a showroom.
So we can say we can have a good time, maybe we can do some racing, but with safety.
Of course,
with this boat.
This is the most important thing, really.
من جنوفا بودعكم على أمل اللقاء بمدينة جديدة لمطرح ما البحر بيودينا دايما مع السردال.